An angel will cry with choir and sing.
The choir sing, eat my orange.
Tomorrow from Norfolk, the town choir is coming.
The orchestra, the choir, Perry Como showman.
I want to thank Miss Loretta Thomas and her choir.
I have been practicing my singing and have even rejoined the church choir.
I was almost a choir boy when I met Georgie.
You should consider joining the church choir.
Lucille down at the church with the choir.
We also have as a special added attraction the Sierra Boys Choir.
Be there some peace. An angel will cry with choir and sing to lift out the spirit.
Sat down on a bench and listened to that choir sing, eat my orange. Yes.
Much to do. Tomorrow from Norfolk, the town choir is coming. The boys and girls, such beautiful.
You've gone middle of the road. The orchestra, the choir, Perry Como showman.
If I feel the music, then that...
I want to thank Miss Loretta Thomas and her choir. Greet the congregation and all.
Find a way into London. I have been practicing my singing and have even rejoined the church choir. I'm also practicing my...
Like choir boys, I was almost a choir boy when I met Georgie. But you spoiled all that, didn't you?
I think that you should consider joining the church choir.
Say, Rose, Lucille down at the church with the choir. I'm gonna go get the pallbearers lined up.
We also have as a special added attraction the Sierra Boys Choir, who have,
For a long while. As a matter of fact, I was a choir boy when he was over at the Basilica.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna miss your voice in the choir, Norma.
Sing their hearts out.
That's it, kid. Take that ruined choir. Make it sing.
So long, Murray.
The judges have named the first soloist of the choir of St. Agatha's Church in Murbach, Fräulein Schweiger.
Like the kind the orchestra fella uses, or the choir master.
Girls of justice! Conductor of the choir of death!
Probably did too. That's why he asked me to join the choir.
Let's face it, they're here to stay, mate.
Preaching to the choir, mate.
Right, yeah, nice one.
Whew. Thank you, choir. That was beautiful.
I dig Jesus, so I go, man. High Mass, the choir and everything. The first thing I see on the right, the side all.
Besides, Joey wasn't no choir boy.
Attention, attention, all chapels and choirs of the papal mainframe. The siege of...
This motherfucker's a fed, man. He ain't no fed. He's just a choir boy with a heart that got the drop on all you fools.
I'll be at First Reformed, and Stanley will be with the full choir here for the simulcast.
Nice.
Before Her Majesty at Windsor Castle with chosen members of his choir on the 14th of May between the hours of 3 and 5.
Don't. This isn't the Dead Poets Society, and I'm not that bloke on BBC Two who keeps getting kids to sing in choirs. I especially don't